Welcome to the heart of downtown Toronto. At 82 Bond Street stands Mackenzie House, a small brick townhouse surrounded by skyscrapers. But echoing with nearly 2 centuries of history, Mackenzie House was the final home of William Lyon Mackenzie. He was Toronto's first mayor and a passionate journalist. Built in the late 1850s, the three-story house was purchased by his friends and supporters to provide him with a stable home during his later years. He lived here until his death in 1861, although many of the surrounding row houses were demolished over time. The house was restored and transformed into a museum to preserve Victorian-era urban life and Mackenzie's legacy. Inside, the rooms, furnished with 19th century decor, offer a window into daily domestic life of that era. Mackenzie wasn't only a politician, he was also a journalist and publisher. The house features a recreated print shop complete with a working that's 1845 style printing press. This press represents how Mackenzie used media to spread his ideas, a powerful reminder of the role of print media in shaping public opinion. School group programs even let students and also visitors try printing their own posters, echoing the activism and civic engagement that defined Mackenzie's life. As a rare survivor of 19th century Toronto, a tangible link between the city's past and present, it allows visitors to reflect on how Toronto transformed from Victorian row houses and print shops to soaring skyscrapers and fast-changing urban life. Because history isn't just about buildings, it's about the people who shaped them, the ideas they stood for. We hope you enjoyed discovering its history and significance to Toronto.